Hey guys, it's Jason with MARC Products. I cover Southeast Iowa. Going to do a demonstration today on Breakaway, our penetrating oil. This is one of my #1 sellers. A lot of my Iowa DOTs, my county roads departments, city streets departments, mechanic shops, this is their go-to penetrant for good reason in Iowa. And I'm going to show you that here with a demonstration. I'm going to use a styrofoam cup, some water, another penetrating oil, and demonstrate the differences in how it's important in Midwestern states as well as anywhere else in the U.S. Number one, WD-40 on top or in the water, you'll see it just simply floats on top of water. The styrofoam there, it's just kind of lubricating it, not doing anything to it. So it doesn't penetrate water. And number two, it's extremely flammable. So if you have corrosion like we do in Iowa, and you've got a bolt that's stuck, you hit it with some WD-40 or any of the other penetrants on the market, and then you have to end up using a torch to get it off. Bad idea, obviously. It's flammable, extremely flammable. With Breakaway, non-flammable. You do not have to worry about, if it doesn't work, heating it up. Actually, if you heat the bolt up and then put this on there, it sucks it into the threads, helps it penetrate. You're going to see what I do here when I pour this on top of the water with the WD-40 still floating. You're going to notice it's going to go straight through that WD-40. It's going to penetrate through the water, and it's going to start working on the petroleum, even if it were to be like a tube grease. Straight through. Doesn't matter if there's tube grease on the bolt that's corroded. If there's water, most penetrants, that water works like a shield. It doesn't even allow it to begin working on the corrosion. With Breakaway, you know it's going to get right to the corrosion and it's going to penetrate it so that you're able to remove the bolt.